We got enough cruisers to shut down the beltway. Just need to keep chasing it. Just close it down up there.
Car 30 Bravo, just confirm we only have traffic charges.
34 Bravo, traffic charges only. Maybe false ID law enforcement. That's it so far.
OSC1.
OSC1.
Just to clarify, you do want the perimeter broken down at the hospital minus those couple units at the Sally Port and inside the ER. Is that also at the Metro?
No, that's correct.
So for attention all units, units can break it down, break the perimeter down at the hospital as well as the Metro. Separate. No key holder response. 740.
Vehicle stall, 495, approaching 95.
Towards 644, 630 Bravo behind us. Whiskey, Papa, 1846.
Fairfax 1, we have the radio. Car 30 Bravo. This one, vehicle took the exit towards 644. Change lane to 95 now. 95.
115 Bravo. 10 for 115 Bravo. Can I get one more unit?
11 Bravo. You're full on Pete.
Commander, reporting redirect. Redirect.
No, repeat.
I have 2 units at Falls Church High School right now.
Excellent, thank you.
747.
430.
Fairfax 1, vehicle still on 95.
Can I 3?
Was there any more to that PSP pursuit?
K9-3, we're trying to sort it out. It's over 2 channels, station or channel 3 and channel 6. I'll get you an update in a second.
Fairfax 1.